I'm talking about things that can be very inexpensive that go a long way at attracting the tenant that you want in your property, showing the tenant what the expectation on how we kind of want our property or our home to be maintained. I don't have any problems in kind of saying, this is an investment of mine. I want to keep it in a certain condition. Please have that respect. I don't think that there's any problem in doing that. So hardware, okay, just little things, inexpensive little things that can actually kind of make the property look a little bit more up to date. If it's an older property, etc., bathroom and kitchen hardware, lighting fixtures, baseboards on the property. If they're just cleaned and or freshly painted, that's probably enough. The other thing that I like to do is that if you can get a tenant that will sign at least a 2-year lease, maybe more, 2+ year lease, I'll give them the option to select up to 2 paint colors that they get to choose in the different rooms, like an accent, a main, and an accent.